Are you noticing more hair on your comb, pillow, or bathroom floor every day? Don't ignore it, your hair might be trying to tell you something important. Welcome to Skin and Health, the channel where we share easy, natural ways to care for your body from the inside out. Hair fall is a problem that affects so many people today. Weak roots, stress, poor nutrition, scalp infections, and overuse of heat styling or chemical treatments can all cause excessive shedding. But the good news is, you don't need expensive salon treatments to fix it. In this video, we'll show you 4 powerful home remedies using natural ingredients like aloe vera, onion, fenugreek, and coconut oil to nourish your scalp, strengthen your hair, and encourage healthy growth. And trust us, you'll be shocked by remedy number 2. You won't believe how simple and effective it is. Before trying different remedies, it is important to understand some of the common causes of hair fall. Hair loss can occur when the hair roots become weak due to several internal or external factors. One major cause is poor nutrition. Hair needs essential nutrients such as protein, iron, and vitamins to grow strong and healthy. When the body lacks these nutrients, the hair may become weak and start to shed more easily. Stress is another common factor that can disturb the natural hair growth cycle and lead to excessive hair fall. Scalp problems such as dandruff, infections, or excessive oil buildup can also weaken the hair roots. In addition, frequent use of heat styling tools, chemical treatments, and tight hairstyles can damage the hair shaft and contribute to hair breakage. Understanding these causes can help you take better care of your hair and choose the right remedies to reduce hair fall. One of the most effective natural remedies for hair fall is aloe vera. Aloe vera has soothing, moisturizing, and healing properties that can improve scalp health and strengthen hair roots. Aloe vera gel contains vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids that nourish the scalp and help repair damaged hair follicles. It also has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help reduce dandruff and scalp irritation. To use aloe vera for hair fall, cut a fresh aloe vera leaf and extract the gel from inside the leaf. Apply the gel directly onto your scalp and gently massage it in circular motions for several minutes. This massage helps improve blood circulation to the hair follicles. Leave the aloe vera gel on your scalp for about 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. When used regularly, aloe vera can help keep the scalp healthy and support stronger hair growth. Another powerful natural remedy for hair fall is onion. Onion juice has gained popularity in recent years because of its ability to stimulate hair growth and improve hair thickness. Onions are rich in sulfur, an essential mineral that helps support the production of collagen. Collagen plays an important role in strengthening hair strands and maintaining healthy hair follicles. To prepare onion juice, peel 1 onion and blend it until it forms a smooth paste. Then strain the mixture to extract the juice. Using a cotton ball or your fingers, apply the juice directly to your scalp. Allow the onion juice to sit on your scalp for about 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it out with a gentle shampoo. Although onion juice has a strong smell, it can be very effective in improving scalp circulation and reducing hair fall when used consistently. If you've been watching until now, give this video some love. Hit like, drop a comment, share with friends, and subscribe for more natural remedies. Fenugreek seeds are another excellent natural ingredient that can help reduce hair fall and strengthen weak hair. Fenugreek seeds are rich in protein, iron, and nicotinic acid, all of which play an important role in maintaining healthy hair. These nutrients help nourish the hair follicles and support the growth of stronger and thicker hair strands. To prepare a fenugreek hair mask, soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. The next day, grind the softened seeds into a smooth paste. Apply this paste evenly to your scalp and hair, making sure it reaches the hair roots. Leave the mask on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Using fenugreek regularly can help reduce hair breakage, improve hair texture, and promote healthier hair growth. Regular scalp massage using coconut oil is another simple yet powerful way to reduce hair fall. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that deeply penetrate the hair shaft and help prevent protein loss from the hair. This makes the hair stronger and less prone to breakage. Warm a small amount of coconut oil and gently massage it into your scalp using your fingertips. Massaging the scalp helps increase blood flow to the hair follicles, which can stimulate healthier hair growth. For best results, leave the oil on your scalp for at least 1 hour or overnight before washing your hair. Doing this 2 or 3 times a week can greatly improve the overall health of your hair. While external treatments are helpful, healthy hair growth also depends on proper nutrition. Hair is primarily made of protein, which means your diet should include protein-rich foods such as eggs, fish, beans, and nuts. Iron-rich foods like spinach and leafy vegetables can also help improve blood circulation to the scalp. Drinking enough water and consuming a balanced diet filled with fruits and vegetables will help nourish your hair from within. When your body receives the nutrients it needs, your hair follicles become stronger and more capable of producing healthy hair strands. Hair fall can be worrying, but in many cases it can be managed with consistent care and natural remedies. Simple ingredients found at home can play a powerful role in strengthening the scalp, nourishing hair follicles, and supporting healthy hair growth. Natural remedies such as aloe vera, onion juice, fenugreek seeds, and coconut oil have been used for generations to promote stronger and healthier hair. When used regularly and combined with a healthy lifestyle and balanced diet, these remedies can significantly reduce hair fall over time. Remember that patience and consistency are key. Natural remedies may not work overnight, but with regular use, they can gradually improve the health of your scalp and hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Skin and Health channel for more natural skincare, hair care, and wellness tips.